I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today is an exciting day. We're moving into our new house and they're getting my machine off the truck. Let's go check it out. Melco on. This is the first time I've turned it on since we moved. I'm a little nervous because again, we moved it in the back of my car. I'm so nervous. Okay, let's see if it turns on. It turned on. So step number one, now we're gonna attach the arms. We've attached the control panel. I got my computer pulled up, so now we're gonna do a test stitch out to make sure everything's running good after our move. So I'm gonna thread everything and get my bars on. Trick I learned from my Melco trainer is to put your finger behind the needle so you can see exactly where to put the thread. Just a little trick. My Melco trainer she was so knowledgeable. She taught me so many things. She taught me all about needles. So on here I have, you can see I have the silver ones are ballpoint and the gold bronzy ones are 7511, I think, sharp. So I always just kind of use a universal needle. That's just what I thought you were supposed to use. But I'm going to start using ballpoint 65-9 needles. Pretty much except for like 3 needles on here. So I'll probably change most of these to ballpoint. Just because my Melco trainer taught me about, you know, you're essentially punching holes in the fabric. So the 65-9 ballpoint is a smaller needle. So there'll be a smaller hole, as well as the ballpoint kind of glides through the fabric versus the sharps punch holes in the fabric. So if you have a bigger needle and a sharp, it'll punch a bigger hole. So I have noticed recently, if you have like a dull needle, or I was having some just kind of like holes around my personalization or monogram of especially my knit stuff or baby stuff. So a ballpoint needle was definitely what I needed to do. Especially since I'm probably going to do mostly knits and that sort of thing, and then I'll leave these for 3 to 4 for like canvas bags or thicker fabrics. If I want to do leather bags or heavy duty backpacks, that sort of thing, I'll leave these for the sharps. But ballpoint is what I'm going to use. Another tip is to clip your thread to make it not frayed on the end. And there you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna swipe all my thread tails up and attach the arms. So here are just a little cheat sheet for everything you need to use. So I'm gonna toggle the front grabbers. Okay, so I'm gonna do windshield, target. And there you go. It brings the threads back, and then it captures them. Isn't that cool? And so I'm just gonna go under and clip so they don't get stuck. Y'all, it's a pet peeve when I see somebody stitching through some threads. Let's attach the arms. Let's stitch out something. So I just loaded some test fabric on my mighty hoop, and I'm going to place on the machine. I just oiled my bobbin. Click. Okay, so I've selected my colors. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my laser light, and I might do a trace just to make sure. So to trace design, you do the hoop and then the little star. Good. All right, we're on mighty hoop, speed of 1,000. We're just doing a random monogram. It's gonna take 1 minute, 17 seconds. Okay, so let's, fingers crossed I didn't break it. Okay. All right, so I've got my thing. Okay. 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 And I'm not gonna use any water topper. Y'all, I was so nervous that I was gonna mess up something on the way. Again, we moved, like we literally had no clue we were moving. I got my Melco. The day I got my Melco, we listed our house for sale. So if I would have known we were moving, I would have just had it shipped to the new house instead of putting it in my car. Definitely don't recommend putting it in your SUV, but it made it. So let me give you a sneak peek of the embroidery room, and then in the next vlog you'll see a full craft room tour once I get everything done. But let me give you a little sneak peek. It is a mess right now. So over here I do have plans to get a table. It matches Ignore the Mess. This table right here is just smaller to fit right here. So this is both machines, and then we're gonna put the sewing table, a fold out table, over here to like prep everything. And then there is my beautiful backdrop with all my pegboards and fabrics folded. I can't wait to fill all that up. So it has so much storage. Look at all that. And then I got this kitchen island from IKEA. You can put seats under it, and then we got this island for the heat press, sublimation printer, and paper accessories. So this works good for that. I got a little Cricut easy press to do appliques with. I got a new shipping scale. I'm thinking about turning this area into like a prep, shipping, and picture station. I've got my little desk here with my pink chair. So that's a little sneak peek. I will give you all the full, oh, that closet. Whew, I'm sweating. So that's it for today's moving vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, this move has been a lot harder than I thought, but we did it. So until next time, bye for now.